How to edit a PDF file using MS Word on your laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and need to edit a PDF but don't have a PDF editor? No worries, you can even use Microsoft Word to edit your PDF file easily. Here's how. First, you need to navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left and search for Word. Once you find it under Best Batch, click Open at right side. Then here you have to simply click on the blank document to access Microsoft Word document. Click File at top left corner of your screen and choose Open. And now you need to select the PDF file you want to edit. Then a pop-up will appear, then you can easily click on OK to convert the PDF into an editable format. Afterwards, you can easily make changes that you want to text, images, or formatting. Then you can easily click on File at top left corner of your screen and click on Save As. And here you can easily choose the destinations. And after that, here you can easily write the file name and then you can save as the type as Word document. Or you can simply choose PDF. So let's choose PDF. And after that, you can easily click on the save button at bottom left corner of your screen, and with that you will successfully edit your PDF using Microsoft Word. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.